Hi, Bushra. How are you today?
Hi, Ayu. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, it was great. We went hiking. How about you?
We had a barbecue at home. Do you like barbecues?
I love them. What's your favorite food to grill?
I love grilling chicken. What's yours?
I prefer grilled vegetables. Have you tried them?
Yes, they're delicious. Do you often go hiking?
Yes, we try to go every month. How often do you barbecue?
We barbecue almost every weekend. Do you like outdoor activities?
Absolutely. We enjoy biking too. What about you?
We love camping. Have you ever been camping?
Yes, a few times. Do you have a favorite camping spot?
We usually go to the national park. How about you?
We like the lakeside campsites. Do you swim there?
Yes, it's so refreshing. Do you enjoy swimming?
I do, especially in the summer. What's your favorite season?
I love the fall. The colors are beautiful. What about you?
Spring is my favorite. Do you like flowers?
I like growing herbs. Do you use fresh herbs in cooking?
Yes, they add great flavor. Do you cook often?
I try to. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. Do you like Italian food?
Yes, especially pizza. What's your favorite cuisine?
Really enjoy Indian food. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy. Do you cook Indian dishes at home?
Occasionally. Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes, it's fun. What's the latest recipe you tried?
A new salad recipe. Do you eat salads often?
Yes, they're healthy. Do you follow any special diet?
Not really, just try to eat balanced meals. Do you exercise regularly?
I do. I like jogging. How do you stay active?
I do yoga. Have you ever tried it?
Yes, but I'm not very flexible. Do you find it relaxing?
Very much so. Do you meditate as well?
Occasionally. What do you do to relax?
I read books. Do you like reading?
Yes, especially fiction. What's your favorite genre?
I love mysteries. Do you have a favorite author?
I enjoy John Grisham's books. What about you?
Agatha Christie is my favorite. Do you watch mystery shows too?
Sometimes. Do you prefer books or TV shows?
I prefer books. Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, we go often. What's the last movie you watched?
We watched a comedy. Do you like comedies?